starting off this channel with my 6.5 build. I'll be taking the top end of the engine apart and hopefully help you guys figure out if you guys are having a miss for the same reason as mine is, because I know it's not my injectors or my lifters or anything like that, but I'm going to be replacing all that while I'm in there. Sometimes the misfire is intermittent. Sometimes it'll be almost a knocking sound. Sometimes it'll barely sound like it's misfiring. It's all in different things that's hanging up, as well as all my retainers. Yeah, the only cracks I found in these heads was just right in the pre-chambers right there, which I ain't too worried about that. In between the valves and everything, it looks great. Still gotta finish them and get all the gasket material off. Got a nice row of parts here, and even under the cylinders, the cylinders are in great shape. They still got cross hatching on them too. Everything's all tore apart. It's gonna be a good build. I'm gonna replace all the valve springs on there because this one here is loose. The rest of them are completely tight. I already pulled one of the valves out just trying to figure out a good way to pull them out without a tool. But I plan on replacing the lifters. I'm gonna do new injectors. I'm gonna just clean up the valves. I'm gonna port and polish these heads. Hopefully that'll help a little bit. Definitely plan on replacing this old junk turbo. I'm gonna get something good for it, hopefully. See how it goes along. I'm gonna try to make progress videos as I get parts for it and get everything back together. And after I get it running again, you guys will see how it's running and driving good and everything. Overall, I got a pretty good block to work with. Not only that, it's a 599 block, so that helps too. And this is how it sounded when it was missing worse than others. This is about the worst it could sound. But it would still get better than that. It'd hit and miss like that. I'd rev it up a little bit and then it'd go away.